Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports. Today I will tell you regarding the export-import shipping containers birthday on 26th April 1956. Yes friends, shipping containers. We all know containers such as container, box, TEUs, FEUs, units. It comes in many sizes and shapes such as 20 feet, 40 feet, 45 feet, GP, high cube, flat rack, OT, etc. One of the biggest and the greatest invention of the 20th century. Just think without containers how you can export or import large volume and heavyweight cargo. It is a gift for a modern world. So friends, let me tell you who founded the shipping containers. Mr. Malcolm McLean, an American trucking company owner and trucker, invented and made the concept of intermodal container shipping with the help of mechanical engineer Keith. They made first container after many discussions and plans on 26 April 1956, loaded the first lot of 58 containers on board the converted tanker vessel ISIL X in Newark, New Jersey, bound for Houston, Texas. The event marks the birth of containerization, which revolutionized cargo handling worldwide. What are the advantages and the benefits of containerization ranges from? It is very easy to handle the cargo, the flexibility of cargo operation, door-to-door delivery movement with same unit, cover, container, cargo security, cheaper sea freight, and nowadays you can see the vessel can carry more than 16,000 containers carry on the vessel. The, the recent news is regarding that the HMM Hyundai Merchant Marine has developed a vessel in which 24,000 TEUs can handle it from here and there. So if you like this information, do share with your friends and comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.